Welcome to our guide on monetizing your Roblox game in 2025. With millions of players and endless creativity, Roblox offers vast opportunities to earn. Let's dive into how you can turn your gaming passion into profit. First, let's talk about in-game currency. Players love to buy uniqueness and enhancements. You can create currency that allows them to purchase special items, skins, or power-ups, increasing their investment in your game. Game passes and developer products are essential tools. Game passes provide permanent benefits, while developer products can be purchased multiple times. Tailor them to enhance player experience and engagement. Consider subscription models. Offering players exclusive access to new items, features, or special events each month can create a steady revenue stream while keeping your community excited. Advertising can be beneficial if done tastefully. Partner with brands that align with your game's theme to create immersive ads that don't disrupt gameplay but enhance the experience. Limited-time events generate excitement and urgency among players. Seasonal items can promote special themes, encouraging purchases before time runs out. Create buzz and anticipation to drive sales. Sponsorships can be a great way to monetize your game. Collaborate with popular brands or creators to introduce themed content, driving mutual growth. It's all about creating a win-win situation. Engage your community through crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter can help gather funds for ambitious projects while involving your player base in development decisions. They'll feel valued and excited. Monitor your analytics to refine your monetization strategies. Tools within Roblox provide invaluable insights on player behavior, purchases, and engagement levels. Adjust strategies based on real data. As we wrap up, remember, the key to successful monetization is adapting to trends and player needs. The future is bright, with new opportunities just around the corner in the ever-evolving Roblox landscape. Happy developing!